Hi everyone, I'm Tata Elxsi. Basically, I'm from Odisha. For my studies, I came to Bangalore. I completed my schooling, college, and my degree right here in Bangalore. I have completed my degree in New Horizon College of Engineering in the specialization of Electronics and Communication Engineering. After my college, I was looking for IT fields to develop my career. So I was searching for which domain which it will suit my specialization. So I landed up in embedded system, and then I chose my career in the Emertxe. In Emertxe, the journey was intense, yet it was amazing journey. I have completed 7 projects, including address book, image steganography, MP3 tag reader, and my favorite is CAN-based automotive dashboard project. It includes all the communication protocols. And here in Emertxe, they teach different modules, including advanced C++, microcontrollers, and Linux internal, and data structure also. So all these modules help me to strengthen my technical learning and the core concepts which I always wanted to learn. During this, I faced difficulty many of the times in structures and unions bitwise. Then with the help of my mentor support, I learned how to learn that concept deeply. So I overcome my fear, and all this helped me to speak properly and confidently in the interview, and I was able to answer the questions properly. There was many times where I faced to give up, especially the microcontroller where they introduced the boards and then all those pins and connections. But then my mentor helped me to understand those pins connection, and I was able to successfully complete a project on it. And yes, the journey was overall good, and it was quite inspiring also. The interview process was basically 2 rounds. One was technical round and one more is HR round. So in technical round, they basically focused on all the projects which I did. They asked the core concepts, which bit fields or which file operation, whatever I used. I explained it thoroughly and deeply, and they were quite impressed with that. And after that, I went to the second round, which was HR round, and there they asked the basic things. How will I work up when there is more work pressure, or how will I handle the peer pressure, or how will I handle if they give me more tasks, and if they give me like over duty after my job timing also. So I answered it confidently, and I was selected for this company.
My name is Haripriya. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I completed my graduate in the stream of Electronics and Communications from the college PBR Vishwadaya Institute of Science and Technology in Andhra Pradesh. During my academic project, I very much interested in embedded systems. I researched about it, how the hardware and software getting interacted with the real-time systems and applications. So that helped me to get curiosity to learning embedded systems. So after that, I researched where I can get the technical experience and knowledge. So I joined Emertxe. In starting, it was a bit difficult to understand the theory part and concepts part because it's very advanced, but with the mentor's help I completed 9 projects totally, and with the guidance of mentors and I have completed assignments and projects on time. In middle of that, I have given up that it's very difficult to me learn this stream, so I chose to switch. Then after I met mentors and I get suggested with them, so they motivated me to stay here, and I got best. It's a roller coaster of emotions and learning experiences also.
Hello everyone, my name is Manoj. I am from Surapet, but I live in Bangalore. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering at JB Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. Since from childhood, I was like to build things, so I chose embedded systems for that purpose. In end of September, I joined Emertxe. Searching in Google, I got this one top institute in Bangalore and in South India also. So from the mentors, with the help of the mentors, I completed like 11 projects in Emertxe in C, C++, and MC. And during these projects, it's not about how many projects you do. It's about how you do the projects and how efficient you do the projects. After completing my course, I got first selected to the company HL Clemo. At that first interview, I got selected, but during miscommunication, I got suspended for the 3 months, and at that time I was like depressed and then didn't do any projects at all. But at that time, 3 months, I have done strong in my mind, and I have done more projects. I have strengthened in my core skills, and I worked on mock interviews and all stuff, and then got placed. After 3 months, I get placed in Tata Elxsi. It was like an adventure. Like you can have some ups and downs, but every time you have to stay up and you have to give the best of yourselves. In the Tata Elxsi, we have got into 2 rounds. One of the round was a technical interview, and then the continuously round was HR interview. They asked about all the core skills, how many projects you have done, and what are your strengths and what are your weakness.
Hi, myself is Ajay Kumar. I am from Tamil Nadu. I had completed BE Engineering in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Muttayamal Engineering College, Rasipuram. After that, I had worked for 1 year in production company. After that, I thought I need to grow in my future, so that I need to study extra courses for my growth. After that, I searched some of the courses and I chose embedded system. I had completed up to 7 projects within 8 months. And then between these 8 months, I had communicated with all the mentors in Emertxe who are working here, and they are very helpful to clearing my doubts. And after that, I got placed in Tata Elxsi company. After I completed the college, I worked in a production company like a CNC operator, so that it is irrelevant to my studies. So that I need to be a part of that EC side, so that I choose embedded system. Basically, I am still a beginner for communication. So here I came and joined. They are teaching in English. After that, I am speaking English day by day. I improve my communication skills here. It's very helpful for me. Before joining the course, I am a little bit poor in logic thinking, but after completing the course, now I am well in logic thinking and programming skills.
My name is Hafsa Tabassum. I am from Bengaluru. I completed my graduation from Saptagiri College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am from ECE, Electronics and Communication branch. From first only, I have interest in embedded system and electronics, so I joined Emertxe. I completed 6 projects. With the guidance and support from Emertxe, I improved my problem solving skills and confidence. The course structure is very aligned here. I started from C and till from microcontrollers, and I improved my problem solving skills and confidence, so I got placed in Tata Elxsi. I faced difficulty in some programming concept. I overcame it by practicing daily and revising the concept and asking the doubts. My journey in Emertxe is amazing.